Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Almost lunchtime, and hopefully you can leave your computer and go to a patio somewhere.
Oh, that's right. You know, the only difference this morning compared to yesterday morning, the winds are a little bit stronger out there, so, you know, it might actually blow your food off the table.
Or at least your napkin.
But hey, the weather is good, though. You know, temperatures are nice, a lot of sunshine out there, so go on and risk it because it's going to be nice out there through the day, even with a little bit of wind. As you notice, Viper 2 HD, quiet again this morning. An area of high pressure we were talking about yesterday morning, slowly sinking off to the south and to the east, and as it does so, we're continuing to see those south winds pick up. Now, yesterday afternoon, they were out of the southeast at about 10, maybe up to 15 miles per hour. Today, we're already seeing 10 to 20 mile per hour winds, and those winds are even going to pick up a little stronger as we head through the afternoon hours, so it will be breezy, but a lot of sunshine and temperatures extremely mild again for this time of year. And we also don't want to forget that the humidity levels are going to be lower than what we would normally see in April as well. As we take a live look on the west side of Jenks, blue skies, just a beautiful morning area-wide. Temperatures have warmed nicely. We're already at 67 degrees in the city of Tulsa. Notice that humidity level at 57%. Anytime the dew point is below 60 degrees in April, that is dry air for us. That means that humidity is much lower than what it could be. South winds currently at 13, and your pressure, it is on the rise. Some of those current wind speeds across the area generally in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range. A little lighter to the south and to the east. You notice Fayetteville, we have a south wind about 8 miles per hour. Windier to the west, though. You notice Norman, Oklahoma City, about 15 to 20 mile per hour winds, and we'll see these winds pick up a little bit more through the rest of the day today. And temperatures will continue to warm as well. We're in the low to mid 60s in far eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. To the south and west of the city of Tulsa, temperatures are already into the low 70s. Take a look at Stillwater at 70 degrees. Norman is 70, 68 in Oklahoma City, 67 in Coffeyville, also up in Joplin. So as we move on through the day today, a little bit of cloudiness here and there. We're talking partly cloudy skies, especially from Tulsa off to the north, so up around Bartlesville, Veneta, into the Miami area. You may see just a couple of additional clouds, but all in all, we're going to see quite a bit of sunshine for today. As I put this into motion, we'll go through the rest of the afternoon hours with mostly sunny skies, so it'll be a pretty nice afternoon area-wide. Then through the overnight, we're going to watch for a little bit of rain trying to develop mainly across areas of Kansas tomorrow morning. And you notice those south winds continuing not only for today, but also breezy tonight. And that's going to help keep those temperatures up for our overnight lows. Then as we move on through our Thursday, we'll see an isolated shower or storm try to develop late in the day on Thursday. Looks like a better chance of rain and storm zone moving into the area Thursday night on into Friday. So for today, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the upper 70s across much of our area. We'll top out around 80 degrees though in McAllister. In the Stillwater area, you notice those south winds at 10 to 20, some gusts near 25 miles per hour through the afternoon. 77 in Grove, 77 over in Fayetteville, and you notice Fort Smith today nearing the 80-degree mark. For you folks up in Veneta today, we're going to see quite a bit of sunshine out there. 79 the high temperature, and those south winds, again, up to 25 miles per hour in those gusts. How about the next 7 days? Well, there is rain in the forecast, as we'll throw in a slight opportunity for tomorrow at 20%. 81 the high temperature, but the front moves through on Thursday night and Friday. Not only will we see a pretty good chance of rain and storms on Friday, take a look at the high temperature, only 62 degrees, so about a 20-degree drop in those temperatures for highs from tomorrow to Friday. The good news is it looks like most of it will push on out just in time for the weekend. A cool Saturday, 66 after lows in the 40s. Sunday looking great, and then dry weather into early next week. That's the way I like it. Get the rain in, get it out just in time for the weekend.
That's right. Thank you, Tad.